Dear students of 11 Science and 11 Arts A faculty, already one video had been sent to you on the call of the soil, a scent of rice. The author has given special importance to organic farming. The second activity sheet we are going to start today. The scent of rice. You have to look on your page number 27 and 28 of your textbook and try to understand the content matters in a very peaceful manner so that you can understand the activity sheet also. So here are the closing lines, last two lines on page number 27. The scent of rice. The first year I was late for the rice sowing season and had to resort growing G4 variety that was short term and recommended by agricultural officers at Osbad. The next year we decided that we would start early and try to find some good traditional variety of rice to grow. Traditional variety of rice means the rice, the original variety or the original breed which is associated with India only. The next year we decided that we would start early and try to find some good traditional variety of rice to grow. We had read about traditional varieties of rice and knew that they did not require very high inputs of fertilizers. Traditional variety of rice do not need high variety of fertilizers. These varieties were also quite strong and resisted pests. एकतर मुळामध्ये हे जे देशी वाण असतं, हे जे देशी पीक असतं आपल्याकडचं, तर याच्यामध्ये प्रतिकारशक्ती चांगली असते आणि मुख्य म्हणजे त्याच्यावरती कीटक वगैरे किंवा अळी पडणे असा प्रकार सहसा होत नाही. वी वेअर शुअर दॅट इट वॉज दिस टाईप ऑफ राईस दॅट वुड ग्रो वेल in our farm where we did not use any chemicals at all. The writer is not in favor to use chemicals, fertilizers, spray, something like that to grow or to get smarter yield. We were sure that it was this type of rice that will grow well in our farm where we did not use any chemicals at all. Our previous year's experience and low yield had taught us a lesson and we were sure we would not plant hybrid this year. Whatever students, remember one important thing a person learns, that is through his experience. Once you get the experience that something is positive, something is beneficial for you, you like to do it. But once you get lost, once you have to suffer, you give it up, you stop the use of it. The same thing happened here. So far the writer is concerned or his organic farming is concerned and he stopped to take hybrid product in his farm. In April 2005, we started to look for a good variety of traditional rice. In April 2005, we started to look for a good variety of traditional rice. It was one of our neighbors in the village, a business from Mumbai who owned the land, who suggested that we plant a local scented variety of rice. The man from Mumbai who had his own land in Gujarat suggested to plant a scented variety of rice. Most of the farmers in and around the village of Pet had switched over to hybrids. The younger generation of farmers thought I was crazy to ask for the desi. He wanted to he wanted to take the crop of such a seed which belongs to India, which is developed in India and which could suit the Indian atmosphere, and he did not want to use any kind of chemical or fertilizers while growing the crop. My regular visits to the villages around searching for a good traditional variety also did my regular visits to the villages around searching for a good traditional variety also did not yield any result, and we were almost giving up hope. So it was his effort. He tried his best to find out the desi variety, but unfortunately he was about to give up hope. It is I decided to give it one last try and spoke to Bhavan's father and some other elders. After many meaningful conversations, they mentioned the name of Kasbai. Kasbai is a variety of rice just like basmati, kolam, chinor, and like that. Kasbai is a traditional long grained rice variety which has a distinct aroma. Aroma म्हणजे सुगंध. स्वतःचा खाद्यपदार्थांचा एक आगळा वेगळा सुगंध असतो. दालचिनीचा असतो, लवंगचा असतो, विलायचीचा असतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड अरोमा. कसबाई is a traditional long grained rice variety which has a distinct aroma. Though much milder than basmati, it is a long duration crop and most of the older people remembered growing it years ago. You have to remember the variety, the name of the variety which is Kasbai. Kasbai is the new variety which the writer was going to plant in his farm. But they all shook their heads when I asked them about the seeds and told me it had disappeared. Here also the writer is frustrated. Once upon a time Kasbai was planted, once upon a time the crop were taken satisfactorily, but now it had disappeared. So this much part is here for you from page number 27 to page number 28. I asked them about the seeds and told me that it had disappeared. Now the seed is not available. Once upon a time it was in practice, but now it is not available. So in this way the writer ultimately had to face only nervousness so far Kasbai is concerned. Now you have to make the activity sheet based on page number 27 and 28, and this is your second activity sheet. Okay? Okay then. Write down. Write whether write whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statements. If you say that this particular statement is false, you have also to write down what is correct. Okay, number 1, the author wanted to grow the desi variety of rice. This statement is true. Number 2, the author did not ever plant the hybrid variety of rice. This statement is false. In the first year, the author grew GR4, G capital R capital GR4 variety, a hybrid. Number 2 activity is here. Activity 2 नहीं है, एक्चुअली तो activity 1 चाच भाग है. Fill in the blanks. Bubbles' father and some elders mentioned the name of. रिकाम्या जागेमध्ये आपल्याला आहे